So I'm here with Nadia. She's our new GoRV caravan chef. We've come to Gulfstream RV because we're going to have to film our next cooking segment. We weren't going to do it outside. The weather's absolutely filthy. So let's say we set up a mini campsite inside their showroom and you can show us what you're going to cook.
Sounds great.
So what do you think, Nadia? Gulfstream showroom, nice little pop top. You ever cooked in a caravan before?
No, I haven't, but it's the first time for everything.
I'm sure you'll do it well. Let's go inside. Might be a bit warmer. Look at this. This looks amazing. And it looks beautiful. You got everything going on the old Thetford mini grill, Mark III. Water's boiling, ready for pasta. Well, I'm going to get out of your hair. I'm going to sit outside on my camp chair in front of my imaginary fire. And when the pasta's ready, just bring it out. I'm looking forward. Thank you so much.
Okay, what I'm cooking today is a nice, simple, easy pasta. We're doing some linguini with some seasonal Brussels sprouts, some bacon, some thyme, some garlic, some parmesan, and some roasted walnuts. So the first thing we need to do is cook our pasta. Make sure the water is boiling rapidly and always salt your pasta water. There's nothing worse than under-seasoned pasta. And this will take anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes for your pasta to cook. Okay, so our pasta's boiling. The first thing I want to do is just toast off some walnuts in a pan. So we've got the heat nice and high, no oil. We just want to release those nice oils from the nuts and give it a nice little roasted flavour. You can see they're starting to brown in the pan. We don't want too much colour, but what you'll do is you'll smell the oil of the walnuts coming out of the nuts. And then we can pop them back in here. So we're going to pop plenty of oil in the pan to cover the bottom. I'm going to add our garlic and chopped thyme. Now you can hear that thyme crackling. Then we're going to add our bacon. I'm going to try and get a little bit of colour on our bacon. And now I'm going to add our Brussels sprouts. I've just sliced these up nice and thin, so they won't take long to cook at all. A little bit of cracked pepper and a little bit of sea salt. You see our bacon's starting to colour now, and we're getting nice colour on those Brussels sprouts. Now the most important thing to remember when cooking pasta and making a pasta dish like this, always take out about half a cup of water because it's very important for the sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to pour that into our pan, and what that does is creates an emulsion with the oil which coats the pasta and gives it a nice glossy finish, and that's part of our sauce. And what we're going to do is once our pasta's cooked, we're going to add some parmesan, and that will also thicken up the sauce a little bit. Pasta's looking good now, so I'm going to drain that and add it to our sauce. So now our pasta is drained, we want to add that to our sauce. Give it a little bit of a toss. Now you can see we've got a beautiful glossy emulsion coating our pasta. Now we add a little bit of parmesan, and I'm going to finish it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then it's ready to serve up. And I can see Max is outside, he's made himself nice and comfortable out there. And we're just going to finish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
That just looks unbelievable, Nadia. I can't wait to try it.
Well, bon appetit.